I got the new skis out, which I think it's the first time on an opening day I'm on brand new skis. But I'm telling you, these Black Crows Atris are just hooking. It's 6 o'clock in the morning. Welcome to my season.
We're here.
My season 7 at Whistler. And there's nobody here. Just, oh, Bruce, you took the lights on. There's nobody here at base 2. We're at Blackcomb instead of Whistler this year, and it's warm. So we're on the new skis and we're just gonna ski groomers. I really don't believe there's nobody here but us.
Oh, what, really?
What you guys do? I'm good dude, enjoy. Thanks, man. Brand new skis, be gentle.
Thank you.
Well, Bruce, get. Kidding me? I got brand new bindings to try, and you know,
All that shit, eh?
all that crap going on.
Guys.
Morning.
Ooh, good morning.
How are you?
Enjoy.
All right, let's go, Bruce. Oh, new skis. Wow. Oh, I know that, dude. All right, let's go, Bruce. So I'm on my new skis here, and they carve. I've never been able to carve like that before. Wow. The no-pull plant wonder. Whoa, so many people. Wow, full on slalom today. So I got the new skis out, which I think it's the first time on an opening day I'm on brand new skis. But I'm telling you, these Black Crows Atris are just hooking. legs are burning. Whew. Okay, there's less people down here. That was nuts.
It got a bit freaky at
Oh
one
my
point.
goodness.
And these people come down, they're doing their full-on like straight and then turn.
Yeah. Whew. Zigzag, I think, is open, right? I think that was the one. I think they groomed it. Oh yeah, we're on Zigzag now. This is one of my favorites. Oh, much better down here. There's no people. Oh, blow your legs up. Oh. It's blowing my legs up.
That was a bit, it got a bit interesting.
Well, Bruce, we did a Blackcomb morning. Now we're gonna go for a Whistler afternoon, but unfortunately we have to walk there. So like, what the heck's going on here? We're all pros. Oh, this is better than the gym, man. Alright, we're gonna do some laps on Whistler. And I'm just loving these skis. Maybe I should have got shift bindings on them. Wow, that looks awesome. Well, there you go. That's the new top. That's impressive, eh? Looks impressive.
Almost there. Well, you know, it gets done when it's done. When do you think it'll be open? Another couple of weeks?
How are they on red chair?
I'm hoping red by like around the 12th.
Yeah, I was thinking it's pretty.
Yeah, 3 weeks then. Yeah, 2 3 weeks. Yeah,
My buddy's working on them over there.
Could go quicker.
should be good.
Took a lot of material out of here.
Has this moved? Oh no, it's the same.
Oh yeah, because there's definitely way more flat here, right?
Yeah, we spent like close to $1 million right here.
Yeah.
Yeah, it looks.
Just
Yeah.
widening it. Can't really feel it yet because it's fenced off.
So it's gonna be the same sort of lines though, I guess.
Yeah, you can't really change what it is.
Yeah.
Well, unless you had a magic wand, you know.
Like,
Resculpt
it
to the
is
mountain.
kind of
What it is.
pinned in with the
I'm looking for it. Should be fun. Oh yeah.
All right, so very, very impressed with these skis. I gotta say, every turn is, like even on this straight here, sucking up the chunder and the rollers. All right, this is very rare. I've never ski downloaded on fits. This is the most bizarre thing ever. Could have been 13. Damn it.
I've never done this before.
Yeah, as I was saying, it's like a bizarre experience.
Well,
thank you. We had enough. Legs are burnt. Legs are burnt. Yeah, you didn't really miss much. Seriously. Yeah. Very, very busy. All right. Well, I honestly have never downloaded on the Fitz chair.
Never.
With skis on. I believe we downloaded on the Fitz. This is like the most bizarre thing, man.
No, landing spot too for us. So we got the markers.
Jump! Coming in hot. Here.
Oh, no.
Yeah, coming in hot.
What are you gonna do? Oh, no. I'm scared. Keep your feet up.
Hey, I don't have to hold my feet up like in the summer.
Uh-oh,
They don't get it. Back up to back over to back around to back inside you, and then yeah. All right, back up this gondola to that gondola to that. Okay, well, Bruce, it was a pretty fun opening day. Even though we didn't go POW seeking, we went groomer seeking. But I really wanted to try those new skis, and I'm telling you right now, those skis are amazing, and they match my coat.
Do they?
Yeah.
Oh yeah.
Look at
Bottoms do.
Yeah.
Tops too. Good.
And yeah, peace out. I'm tired. I like your stuff.